Hi everyone, I am Chandu. I have graduated in the year of 2025 from Malareddy Engineering College. As I don't get any job opportunity in the college, I joined Qspider with my uncle reference, which helped me a lot in developing the skills towards testing. I chose testing because I feel enthusiastic, so I learned skills like manual and automation, SQL and Java, which was taught by the Qspider management and which helped me a lot in developing my skills. And the HR management also supported me to give interview for many companies by conducting many sessions like jam session, presentation, and communication skills sessions. And I have placed recently in the with a package of 3 LBA as a test engineering role with a QA and QA. So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for the Qspider management.